It's a 2016 GMC Sierra 1500. This is a truck with a work ethic to match your own, one that doesn't stop at good enough. It comes with great features you love: Ecotec 3 engine, AutoTrack 4-wheel drive, automatic transmission, trailer hitch receiver, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather split bench seats, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and LED low and high beam headlights. The Detroit News reports the Sierra is not just for construction sites. GMC, professional-grade vehicles suited to fit your needs. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Speaking Deacon.
Are you speaking Deacon? Visit Deacon Jones Chevrolet Buick GMC Cadillac today. Give us a call at 800-952-9354.